Greetings, welcome back to PinkOddBird. Today I am going to do a little unboxing for your creative studio. I am going to just do this kind of quickly. I have 1,000 things happening around my desk, so I had to make a little nook for this. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I have the little note here. It looks like it's going to be a music theme this time, which is super cool. Yep, so there's some really, I think they go this way, really cute stamps here. They go this way. Music notes, these are great for background stamping. The little piano here, another little textured, like guitar strings maybe. And then the tiny music notes, those are really cute. Sticky notes, and they're in the shape of like these old-fashioned light bulbs, so that's really cute. The Revival of Learning. So this is a little notepad and it's got some, stickers in it. They're washi stickers. It's okay, it's a notepad of washi stickers, and this is actually amazing because there's so many stickers in here. Wow. I thought it was going to be a notepad because in the back it looked like paper, but these are all purely washi stickers, so I really kind of love that. I will link Amanda's shop down below. This is a subscription box, so if you wanted to subscribe you can, or you can get these on a month-to-month basis. So here, this is a tiny little book. If you can see this tiny book, it's getting late here, so I'm trying to hurry before the sun goes down, but it's a really tiny journal. It's got all paper in there. I think that's really cute, especially if you just need a tiny little place to write a note here and there. Super cute. There is a little bit of washi tape here. This is how the print looks, the numbers. So you can see it looks like kind of reminds me of just like when you get tickets and stuff like that, how they're strips with the little holes. I might not be explaining that right. So here there's some music note stickers. These are really cute, great for collaging. And over here, another booklet of sorts. Okay, this is a notepad. So this one has maybe 4 different designs of each sheet. These are beautiful. Again, I would definitely say some collaging with these would be perfect. Lots of different, and they all have like this tint to them, like a vintage tint. Really pretty little notepad. Then we have this. It looks like a harp charm. I think that's what it is. It's a little charm and it's shaped like a harp. That's what I think. Or maybe it's a little knife? Is this a little knife? Oh my gosh, this is like a tiny little machete knife. Something like that. Wow, it's sharp too. If you get this, be careful, it is sharp. Wow, I thought it was a harp. Tricked me. Do you guys ever watch that knife show where they make the knives by hand? It will cut. Okay, so there's another little roll of washi in here. Just some little tiny thin detail washi. Here, oh, it's kind of medieval. I guess that's why. Medieval music theme. Okay, so yeah, these are just like sheets of collage paper, and look at that detail. You can see where the edges are already torn. That's pretty cool. And they feel like book pages. But yeah, these are just some cool little collage pages. And back here, there are some of these 6x6 sheets. You guys know how I am about stickers, and I think these are sticker sheets. They feel thick like stickers. So I believe these here are all sticker sheets, which I love because it makes collaging so easy. Because you know how when you tear when you're collaging, you have to try and get glue like on that crooked, jagged edge. When it's a sticker, you can tear it because it's still paper, but it's gonna stick the whole way when you're doing your collaging. So I love these so much. And lastly, we have, I think these are like ticket stickers, something like that. They definitely feel like stickers. Okay, so they're all the same. They kind of have like wine on them. Yeah, like they're sticker kind of like wine labels, something like that. So those are pretty neat. All right, so that is the box for this month. I don't have enough daylight to create anything with this, but you guys will be able to see this stuff in upcoming future projects. You can also check out Amanda at Your Creative Studio. She will have information on what her boxes are upcoming. And if you look at the hashtag on Instagram, you'll also be able to, or even on YouTube, there's other gals who get these and they unbox them as well. So I like this little hint that we knew it was going to be music themed. She's always really so attention to detail with these boxes. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and go. We will be back soon with some more fun Halloween stuff. So that's going to be coming up. So come back and watch some Halloween stuff. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into. And until next time, toodaloo.